I always saw power in being a woman. What a great feeling it is to overcome stereotypes. I never wanted to be like everybody else. I've never wanted to have the standard acceptable life like everybody else. I never wanted to be a housewife. So I decided to become a millennial wife.
Hi, I'm Paula Navarro, and I am the anti-housewife. I actually never wanted to get married. Just thinking about giving up my free time, my dreams, that was never an option for me. And I actually talked this through with my husband and we said, why can't we just make our own marriage? We can make it whatever we want it to be. So eventually we got married, we adopted 2 puppies, we've gone to rock concerts, we've traveled the world together, we started businesses together, and yes, we are happily married. So, is it possible to have it all? Absolutely, and that's what Millennial Wives is all about.
We don't know it all, but damn are we quick learners. Some dude called McKinley Irvin said that 45% of marriages fail, and we're gonna prove him wrong. We are rock stars, we are ghetto, we've got swag and we've got flavor. We come in all colors and sizes, and we're a new breed of women creators. We create homes, we create families, we create businesses, we create happiness, and most importantly, we create our own freedom. Our vow is to listen one another, to respect one another, to empower one another, and to love one another. People underestimate the power of a woman's love, so we're here to remind them of that superpower.